Hi, due to several user requests, today I'm going to do an installation of the Max Keyboard Universal Mechanical Keyboard front print keycap set onto the Corsair K70 with red LEDs. First, we'll start with the 1-unit keycaps. You'll need your plastic keycap puller included in the set. You want to lock it in place until you hear the clicks on both sides. And you want to gently pull upwards. And do the same for the rest. Okay, now we're left with the larger space bars, shift keys and enter keys and backspace. All you need to do is get your plastic keycap puller. No need to worry about the stabilizer bars because these are cherry type, meaning that they are already installed underneath. So just get your plastic keycap puller, lock it in place, and gently pull upwards. And be careful not to use excessive force. And there you go. Do the same with the rest of them. Okay, now I'll be installing the 1-unit keycaps. And here's the front print set that I'll be using. They are already pre-labeled, so you know where to place them. And now we're left with the bottom row modifier keys. Control is 1.5 unit, Windows is 1 unit, Alt is 1.25 unit, spacebar is 6.5 unit, Alt is 1.25 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, and Control 1.5 unit. So with the Control, you'll get it from the second level set over here. And you'll also get your Windows key from the second level. As for the Alt, it'll be on the first level, since it's 1.25 unit. It'll be smaller. And then you'll need your 6.5 unit spacebar, which would be this one. It'll be already pre-labeled for you, so you can see there. It's at 6.5. And you'll also have these two, which you'll need. And there you have it. Okay, now we have fully installed the Max Keyboard Universal Mechanical Keyboard front print keycap set onto the Corsair K70. Here it is without the backlight. Okay, here's what the Corsair K70 looks like on the lowest backlit setting. You can see a faint translucent glow. And here it is on the medium backlit setting. And here it is on the brightest backlit setting. And here you can see the black translucency at its peak. Here's what the Corsair K70 looks like in a completely dark room. Okay, thanks for watching our videos. Please thumbs up and subscribe.